is to educate the young minds and nurture them in all their holistic development to make them as a good global citizen. The academic sector will have a drastic change, not only in the book-based knowledge but as well as in the information technology, where all the students, not only in the city area but as well as in the rural side of the country, the children will create an impact on the educational field. In this education sector, I think the facilitator should have very important skills for them to lead the younger generation, especially not only in the teaching skills, not only in the path of facilitating, but in order to know the children's psychology. Okay, that is the main important skill, in what kind of mindset my student is entering into the class, and how could I engage my children, and how whatever is being taught in the class and whatever I'm delivering in the class, so how it is reached into the children's mind. So those skills I have to be, as a teacher or as a facilitator, I should equip with it, and to understand what are the other essential learning is for the children, so that I could reach my children, I can be as one of the child, and I could reach the children and teach them in a good way for them to have a better education in school. If I would like to talk about the career opportunities in the education sector, which is the most thriving business, and it presents a plenty of job opportunities in this education center. Most of them believe that teaching is the only uh, career opportunity that lies in the education center. Is not like that. I would like to give you an exciting career option in the education which is there in India. For example, we have the academic manager, we have the academic research writer, and then we have the manager in education and skills training. We have the foreign language teacher, we have the education analyst, and we have still many more opportunities are lying there. These opportunities will take you into different transformation and to become an expertise in the education field. Challenges of the teachers, yes, teaching, no doubt. It's a noble profession, and it's daunting and challenging task. Whether she or he, not only an educator, but there are so many challenges faced by them. For example, they should know the students very well, what kind of mindset the children entering into the classroom, what kind of family background they are coming into in. So all these teachers have to analyze and understand the children mindset, and have to travel according with them, and it is a very difficult task as well. And then they have to understand the learning abilities and capabilities of the children. And then the most important matter is that safety. Okay, it lies 100% on the teacher's hands once the children enter into the class. And then they have to strive and plan and work hard to bring the underperforming students, to bring them up to a certain level for them to score good marks. And the other important aspect for the teachers, the challenging, is that peer pressure. So that is one of the important thing. They have to gel up with their peers, and they have to work along with them, sit along with them, have a social interaction with them, so that, okay, they can which they don't tend to lose their focus, as well as, and they don't get distracted. So I think these are the minimal number of distractions and challenges faced by the teachers.